Come on, 56. Shit. Alright, so that's that for today. This is, what are we on, the cusp of the supposed storm? We're not gonna get anything here. But, it's 5:38 and, it looks like half-assed mass. Yet again, gonna miss half of it. Always late.
You know how your wallet falls out? Well, this is all silky. Where'd you see it? On the left?
Yeah, like you. There's Ma's Hot Dog Church. Not many on the road. I wonder if Mills is open. How all that rubble was, all that stuff going on.
In the house, they have a little barn.
You asked that last time. What
it's
was
like 3 homes, yeah. So that's cute, like a little community, 3 homes. But imagine they had another lot for sale. Shit.
Yeah.
I would have bought it.
Well, looks like it's still Miller time.
And the family room should get
it took the tread
box on for.
Yeah, okay. It took the tread of a winter storm for us to have no traffic. This jerk over here, no lights on.
Nice little apartment, you know.
Did they knock down the old partners too yet?
It's a country black.
Yeah.
Park too.
Turn on your damn lights, idiot.
See, they're even at the park.
They're at the park?
People.
What else is at the park?
Even though the lake, well, the lake is still there on the backside.
What do they need?
It's rained over here.
Go, idiot. Look at him. Look at him in the right lane. And this jerk.
Is he drunk?
What are you doing?
That's what he's
Freaking
doing.
moron, this slow ass. Freaking slow as shit, you. Second week of no bread.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that the movie?
I can't tell if I am.
What is that?
No.
Cupcakes?
Yeah.
It's good they're standing.
Yours now and forever. Also weird. Anthony Naval used to be in, I don't think Eden was, but Anthony Naval were in this chorus at the church. I remember taking him here times. Chapel / riser room. Stupid phone, I thought I was recording before. This is the, what would you call it? It's outside. it's in between both sides of the building, and it's usually nice. Courtyard. Yeah, courtyard. It's nice, especially it's got a big cross right there. Especially during the spring, it's nice.
Nice. Yeah, why
Look,
does this-
looking at a courtyard.
Yeah, I sleep. I need a hair net. And they have this picture. Oh, they have pictures all. I can't stand him.
Pope Francis.
They better have him in the
Pope
back
Francis.
over here.
Yeah.
Not in the front.
Oh, over here. Piece of crap.
Yeah, they used to have him in the front, I think.
What does he need?
Nice.
You gave me that picture. I have
Yeah.
that.
That's, Dina saw her up there. Yeah, and they put that first, of course.
Come on, me.
Jesus.
Me eating pecan in the truck.
Well, not
What is this crap? This did this last week. Annoying. What? There just happened to be a quarter in here. I just saved a quarter. Okay, I put my quarter back. I've made quite a few quarters at Aldi's this way. Radishes, where are the damn radishes? Vinny, help me find radishes, damn it. Where are the radishes? Radishes.
Oh.
Really?
Yes. Am I missing out?
Yeah, you're missing out, especially on a lower price. 95. Little peewees, huh? It's not a bad price, so I want a variety of fruit, but it doesn't seem like there is a real big variety of fruit out. I guess because it's winter time? I don't know. A lot of apples. I gotta get half and half. As you can see, not many people are here, and they still have pretty good stock. Considering. Now we're gonna get half and half. Organic. Shelves look pretty decent. I mean, for a pending snowstorm, they're out of eggs. Yeah, like, oh my God. Looks like one lonely carton, and the second one there looks like crap. $1.96. That's a good price. All right, organic, right there. Organic, half and half. Security protected steak. Shit. It's that bad. They had to put that on there. I got that eye round. Just that one was security protected. This isn't. 10 ounces it says, but it's not 10 ounces because it's going to start at 6 over here, and it goes up to 2. All open. These were all open, which means someone must have been eating out of them or something. Yeah, they were about 4 ounces too little. Yeah.
worried about upsetting my stomach.
Pete Milano's packed out on a Saturday.
Everybody was.
Winter Storm Eve.
Everybody. I mean.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't happening.
Yeah, they're just not on the road.
They had to find out it wasn't happening.
They probably did.
I gotta square this away with him.
All right.
Don't talk and don't have to edge it by laughing.
Or what?
So much. All right, listen.
Yeah, kick your.